Let me show you how you can resize the apps on the iPhone. And if you are new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, you can see my apps are in a certain size right now, but in order to change that, there are actually more ways you can do it. But let me start with the first one where I hold it down on the screen somewhere around the icons. For example, right in here, and we get to the edit mode. Then I'm gonna tap on the edit button in the top left as such and click on customize. This gives me the ability to mostly change the look of the icons. A lot of people switch to the dark mode or anything else, but I am interested in this little button right there. So this changes the app icons between this smaller mode and this larger mode, right? So you can see in the bigger app icon format, we don't have the written description or titles of the apps below anymore. So some people prefer that over the original mode. So this is the first way to change and resize app icons. But if I come back to the normal state of the phone, I can also go to the settings app of my device and find the display and brightness. In here, I can change plenty of different things, and at the bottom, I also have the display zoom. And you can see right there that two modes are available, default and larger text. And even the app icons are different in there. So in the larger text, everything is bigger. Text bubbles get larger, app icons get bigger, and also notifications, time, text, everything is larger. Some people prefer it, but my point is that if you switch to the larger text and confirm it like this, I'm gonna click on use zoomed, restarts the iPhone a little bit. But right now, as you can see, everything is larger, right? So the settings page looks bigger, the font, everything is huge, right? But it could also make some changes to the app icons, which also should be a little bit bigger. So that's like another way to make that happen, to resize the icon. So you can always switch back to the default mode if you feel like your icons are a little bit too large, or the other way around. So that's what I wanted to explain. I hope that I was able to be a little bit helpful to you. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. I'm gonna wrap it up and I'll talk to you later in the future videos.